In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your EIN to Shopify. Adding your employer identification number, or EIN, to your Shopify store is an important step for proper tax reporting and to keep your account compliant. I'll walk you through the exact places to click and share a few practical tips so the process is smooth. First, sign in to your Shopify admin. From there, head straight to Settings at the bottom of the left-hand menu. Inside Settings, choose Taxes and Duties. This section is where Shopify centralizes all the options for sales tax collection, so it's the right place to add your tax identifier. Once you're in Taxes and Duties, look for the Manage Sales Tax Collection area. Depending on your store setup and region, you'll see an option to select your country or region. Click on that country or region to open the specific tax settings for that location. If your store requires Shopify to collect sales tax in that region, you may see a Collect Sales Tax toggle or link. Click that if it's visible. When the collection settings are open, you should find a field labeled Tax Number. This is where you enter your EIN, type your EIN exactly as issued, without extra spaces or characters, and then click Save. After saving, it's a good idea to double-check that the number appears correctly in the field, and the tax collection is set up as you intended. If you're unsure about formatting, the EIN is typically 9 digits. Entering it cleanly will prevent validation errors. If you don't see the tax number field in your taxes and duties settings, don't worry. In some accounts or regions, that option might not appear automatically. In that case, you'll need to contact Shopify support so they can verify your account and, if necessary, update the information for you. Inside your Shopify admin, go to the Help Center to find the support option. Use that to start a chat or submit a request. Before contacting support, have your EIN handy and be prepared to verify ownership of the account. Support might ask you to confirm details about your business or store, so having documentation or account information ready will speed things up. After they verify your information, they can manually add the EIN to your tax settings if you're unable to do it yourself. That's all there is to it. Follow these steps and tips to make sure your EIN is correctly connected to Shopify, and you'll be set for accurate tax